Hi everyone, I am back, and today the topic that I'm going to touch on is leadership. With project management professionals utilizing best practices in projects and program management in their organizations, we have seen project success rates improve in the last few years. Project managers have mastered implementing project management methodologies, leveraging advancement in technologies as applied in useful project management and team collaboration tools and techniques. However, even with improved project success rates and more technologically advanced tools and techniques to improve team productivity, organizations today still face many complex challenges in setting and achieving their strategic goals. One big challenge is coming from the lack or weakness of leadership in the organization. To be successful in implementing their strategic goals through projects and programs, organization needs effective leaders. Organization need to have successful project managers who are also effective leaders. But what leadership skills do project managers need? Our project management skills are not sufficient? Maybe, but project management is different from leadership. Successful project managers may not be effective leaders. By understanding the difference between project management and leadership and taking part to become effective leaders, successful project managers can utilize their innovative and creative skills to help them develop leadership skills, and that will complement their project management abilities. Although project management is different from leadership, there is some commonality between the two. The performance of a project manager and effectiveness of a leader are both measured in terms of the performance of the team. Hence, focus on team performance is a very important aspect in developing leadership skills for project management. The most essential leadership skills for the project manager start with motivating and inspiring teams and individuals. Negotiating and communicating skills, listening and influencing skills, and team building with emphasis on improving team performance. Now let's see what is the difference between project management and leadership. Although there is an expectation for project managers to be leader, project management and leadership are two different things. Being a successful project manager does not mean that one is a successful leader. Successful project manager develop project management skills through knowledge of the standard project management framework and through experience in utilizing best practices in implementing project management methodologies. Successful leaders are innovative and creative individuals who continuously develop new skills to integrate with their current capabilities. We say leaders innovate and managers administer. Managers usually focus on implementing and following the processes, attending to the daily routine of activities, ensuring that the team can be productive with the tools they need to perform their task. But leaders are innovators who are always looking to improve ways of doing things and challenging the processes in order to improve the team's productivity levels. Leaders think long term and managers think short to mid term. Leaders create a vision, the future state of the organization when its strategic goals are achieved. Leaders think long term in achieving the vision. Project managers are focused on achieving the short term and mid term deliverables to accomplish the project goals as part of achieving the long term strategic goals. This makes both effective leadership and project management essential in achieving short term and long term strategic goals for any organization. Leaders motivate and inspires and managers control. Leaders motivate and inspire their people simply in the way they work with them. In setting goals, meaningful contribution, recognizing their efforts, always encouraging the team to deliver the best work that they can. Managers in their focus on implementing processes, control their people and the working environment, including their work assignments, schedules, deliverables, etc. Successful project managers continuously develop leadership skills in motivating and inspiring teams. They practice effective human resource management process for team development. Now, comment down below what type of motivation do you think inspires a team the most. Moving on, leaders worry about doing the right things, and managers worry about doing the things right. Leaders are focused on accomplishing the vision for the organization. Implementing the organizational strategy through projects and programs depends on the organizational leaders making the right decisions on what initiatives should be implemented. Once the decisions have been made, managers take care of project delivery, ensuring that things are done right. Leaders have a wide circle of influence and managers have limited influence. Effective leaders impact the entire organization and also people outside the organization. Their influence extends beyond the boundaries of the organization. Project managers' impact dominates their own project, but they have little influence outside their project stakeholders. The commonality between project management and leadership. The biggest commonality between project management and leadership is what the followers bring. In a project environment, the project manager's followers are the project team. In a project environment, the success of a leader and the success of a project manager depends on the performance of the project team. The performance of a project manager and the effectiveness of a leader are both measured in terms of the performance of the team. Now let's talk about what leadership skills are needed for project managers. Project managers accomplish assigned project work through project teams. They acquire the necessary technical, business, and leadership skills to help manage their project teams effectively. They apply effective leadership skills in motivating their teams in accomplishing project objectives and completing the project deliverables to achieve the project goals. Essential leadership skills for project managers start with motivating and inspiring teams, as we discussed. Other leadership skills, including negotiating, communicating, listening, influencing skills, and team building, are also important. Motivating and inspiring. Leaders develop a vision and they continually communicate that vision throughout the organization, working with the team to achieve the vision. Leaders keep their people enthusiastic in doing their work and focused on the project vision. They encourage the team members to do their best and accomplish the work with full satisfaction for making their contribution towards the project vision. Team building. Leaders help the team members help each other as they make their individual and group contribution toward achieving the project goals. Negotiating and communicating. Leaders get the team members and project stakeholders to work effectively with one another, considering all parties with shared or opposed interests with intent to compromise before reaching a team decision. Leaders create a project environment where team members can be honest and open in communicating with each other, understanding each team member's communication style and able to communicate effectively with project stakeholders. Listening and influencing. Leaders are active listeners, understanding and considering the members' perspective before making team decisions that will affect the team. Leaders get project team members and other stakeholders to collaborate and cooperate with each other, working towards a common goal. That was it from my side. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.